guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick TikTok tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok messages not working, meaning either you can't send or read a messages or your messages are working on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply open up your TikTok mobile application. Then what you have to do is to simply tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of the screen. Now there you will get all of the messages. From the messages, if you want to create a message, simply tap on the plus at the top left corner of the screen. Now it will show you all of your friends whom you want to message. So if you don't find this, then I'll be going to show you how to fix that if you are not able to send a message to someone. So the thing is that if you are not following a person and you are trying to message them, then you cannot message them. It means that you need to follow a person first and then you can message that person. There is another way to do. For that, go back, head towards your profile. Once you are on the profile, simply tap on the three little lines at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are here, what you have to do is to simply tap on the last option named as settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy tab, you have to scroll down until you get the option of free up space. So simply tap on that. Here you will get the option of cache. So tap on clear again, and after that your issue will be resolved and cache from TikTok would be deleted. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.